Hey, I'm back, and less future motion firmware hacking this time. This is my travel Onewheel. This is what I used to get around town, or I guess around the world now. It's a VEST-based XR platform board, pint wheel. I made a claim a couple of days ago, or maybe yesterday, I can't remember, time's well construct, that I could disassemble and get the batteries out of this thing in probably less than, I think they said 5 minutes for the entire board, 1 minute for just the batteries. I thought I'd do a quick demo so that you could see what that looks like. So without further ado, let's get going. Take out normally 2 screws up top. I lost one of them because I don't know how to keep things properly. There's 2 screws and 3 screws. So that's it. Foot pads off. You'll notice I've got this snazzy little TPU layer. This will protect my batteries. Boom. So now we have full access to the batteries. I'm not going to take them out because right now I feel kind of lazy, but you can see it's pretty quick to get access to the batteries. Once you're done, put this back on, put your foot back on, you're good to go. The other thing you may have noticed is that this is currently missing a BMS. Part of it's because I didn't have enough time to rewire these VX packs. At some point I'm going to do my own packs anyway, so it doesn't really make sense for me to spend that time on it. The other part, and I'll give you a little bit more of a demo of this in the very near future, is I'm using this little box right here and a little other board, and basically you can do USB-C power delivery based charging for our boards, which, as you can imagine, when you're traveling and you don't want to take a bunch of things like a big bulky AC adapter and an AC to DC converter, it's nice to be able to just use your existing charging brick for your laptop to charge your Onewheel as well. I'll have more details on that hopefully in the near future, but yeah, this is a quick demo of the battery disassembly. Cheers!